best done.
Not so Dry Falls.
Yeah, bad name, Dry Falls. It was,
at least I was man enough to get into the waterfall.
I didn't have appropriate clothing.
No, who goes down to a waterfall with flip-flops and a t-shirt?
Dunno.
Right, on to the next one.
So that was Bridal Veil Falls, where you can, or you used to be able to drive under the falls, but they've actually closed that bit of the road because it's supposedly unsafe.
Probably because of all the water.
Well, yeah, possibly. It was absolutely peeing down over the rock face. You'll see a video of that at some stage. We're now just heading back down the road past Dry Falls just there, and we're going to try to find the biggest of the three falls, which I'm not going to attempt to pronounce because I can't look at the map, but cool. Sam will do this pronunciation for you.
Cool. Azajana, something like that. You can correct me later.
Okay.
Next up is Bust Your Butt Falls. Seriously, that is the name of the falls. I have no idea why.